How to fix the issue of Windows slow startup. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly right click on Windows icon in the taskbar. Then after go to Task Manager from the menu. Once you arrive in Task Manager, simply choose the option of Startup Application. Now, the list of startup application will appear. These are the applications which open when you restart the device. Now if you find any unnecessary application, you can simply double click on it and click on disable. Or you can also click on it and at the top right corner you will see the option of enable and disable. To simply disable it, you can simply click on at the top right corner and then you're good to go. Now the next step, again go to Start menu. In the search box type Control Panel. Once you do, in the results you will see the application's name. Double click on it or click Enter key or choose the option of Open there. Once you are directed to Control Panel, you simply need to head toward Power option. Once you do, you will see the option of Change Plan Setting. Simply click on it. In Change Plan Setting, go to Advanced Setting and here choose the option of Balanced. And that's it. Once you make these changes on your device, your startup will not be slow anymore. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.